talk about pancreas pain relief, natural remedies that actually work. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Holistic Mom, your trusted space for natural healing, real talk and remedies that honor your body. Today, we're focusing on something most people don't talk about, but it can incredibly be very painful and scary: pancreas pain. Whether you are dealing with inflammation, early signs of pancreatitis, or just upper abdominal pain that radiates to your back, I'm going to walk you through a gentle, natural remedy that can help to manage symptoms and also support healing from the inside out. Last year, after a week of heavy meals, stress, and too much caffeine, I woke up with a sharp pain just under my ribs, radiating to my back. I thought it was my gallbladder at first, but it turned out to be pancreas. The pain was unlike anything that I felt before, but with the rest, the right foods, the herbal support, and lifestyle changes, I got better naturally. But if you've never considered supporting your pancreas the holistic way, this is your sign to start doing so. So first, what is pancreas pain? Your pancreas is a gland that helps to regulate blood sugar and digest fats, proteins, and carbs. When it is inflamed or irritated, you may feel things like sharp or dull pain under the ribs, the left side, or the center, pain that radiates to your back, nausea, bloating, and even loss of appetite. Now, the conditions include acute or chronic pancreatitis, the pancreatic insufficiency, and digestive stress from poor diet, alcohol, or gallstones as well. So let's talk about some natural remedies for pancreas pain, starting with the first one and the most powerful one, which is fasting and resting the digestive system. And this is one of the most immediate ways to help calm pancreas inflammation, is simply resting the digestive system. So you can try intermittent fasting or a 24-hour liquid diet with broths and herbal teas. Absolutely amazing. We also fast for Ramadan, it has recently ended as well, so that's been a game changer. Now what I want you to do is, during the fast, is once you break your fast, avoid heavy meals, fats, alcohol, caffeine, processed sugar. And I personally did a 36-hour herbal fast with a warm tea and broths, and my symptoms began to ease within a day. Another thing that I tried was herbal teas, specifically used to soothe the pancreas. Now, your best options are chamomile because it's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic. You can also use licorice root because it supports the adrenal and digestive system. Ginger is also amazing for helping to reduce nausea and calms inflammation. And we also have my favorite, dandelion root, which really helps to cleanse liver and gallbladder, easing pancreas load. So here's what I did. I did a DIY Pancreas-Soothing Tea Blend, starting with 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, fresh, half a teaspoon of dried licorice root, and I steep for 10 minutes, and then I sip warm 2 to 3 times daily. Absolutely amazing. I did that for 3 consecutive days. Another thing that I'm a big fan of is warm castor oil packs, and these are absolutely amazing because castor oil packs boost circulation, ease inflammation, and promote lymphatic drainage. So here's what I did. I soaked a cotton cloth in castor oil, hexane free, and I placed over the upper abdomen. I covered with a plastic wrap and a warm towel. If you don't have a warm towel, if you'd rather use a heating pad, you can. And then I just rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Used it 3 to 5 times a week during the flare-ups. Another thing that you can do is papaya and pineapple enzyme, which is Bromelain and Papain. These 2 enzymes are absolutely amazing. You can get them in supplement form. You can also just simply slice a papaya, add it to a smoothie, and do the same with a pineapple as well, especially the bromelain part, that inner part of the pineapple. These natural enzymes, they support digestion, they reduce the pancreas workload. You can look for enzyme blends or eat fresh, ripe fruit in small amounts. So I personally just added papaya to my smoothies, and then I took a bromelain supplement, which I use just as a general anti-inflammatory supplement, and I felt less bloated within days. Another thing that was a complete game changer for me was taking B complex and magnesium support. These 2 supplements are absolutely amazing. Magnesium helps to regulate blood sugar and reduce cramping. B vitamins, on the other hand, they support enzyme production and tissue healing. Now, the foods that are high in magnesium are leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and bananas. Now, it's really important to reduce sugar and processed foods because stress is basically can come from sugar. So because sugar stresses the pancreas by spiking insulin. So you replace sweets with berries, cinnamon, stevia, monk fruit in moderation. Your pancreas will thank you. Now, when is it important to seek medical advice and medical care? Natural remedies, they can support healing, but if you experience these three things, number one, severe persistent pain, fever, vomiting, jaundice, please seek immediate help. Pancreatitis can become really life-threatening, and natural doesn't mean ignoring red flags. Supporting my pancreas holistically has helped me to avoid a hospital visit. Personally, I still check with my doctor, but now I use foods, herbs, and rest as my first response, and I feel so much more in tune with my body. Always consult your medical practitioner if you are experiencing any of these symptoms that are in this video, and this video is only for informational purposes only, highlighting my own experience and what I did. Have you ever experienced pancreas pain or used natural methods to support digestion? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story and help you answer your questions. If this video gave you any sort of clarity, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dealing with chronic stomach issues. And remember, your body speaks through symptoms. Listen gently, support naturally as well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.